So uthi vele umbokazi uyavaya uya eChicago Fire.
After AFCON nje. Yeah. Which means maybe we started doing 2 games with our Pirates. The one for Chippa United and the one for the Carling Cup final. Then it's Chai. I'm fine.
What decided outside? Pirates for me. Stellenbosch FC official page yabo. It's in a football club or this is a...
Yeah, it's football club. Guys, remember we are running a competition of predict a score and win. So what you are going to do, you are going to go to our description. You will find a link that will take you to our website, whereby on the bottom right corner there is score prediction. Then you scroll, you will see Kaizer Chiefs versus Al Masry. Then we are predicted, then stand a chance to win 100 rand. But you have to first register on the website. Then you will be able to predict. So hamba uyo predictor score sakho ukuthi Chiefs yawina namuhla or i-Chiefs bayishaya. Stand a chance to win 100 bucks.
Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch.
So yeah, umfana uyahamba umfana. Uyahamba nje. But I'm not happy with this move, man.
Awuboni kahle.
I'm not happy with this move because America, when it comes to football nje, especially umfana usasemncane, udzinga ilo letamdevelopa kahle.
So la bayasimoshela umfana.
For an example, local esinye striker abathi Nhlongwane the time asadlala South Africa. Wambita kwi-squad. Wamuva waya e-America. Udlalela ngayikhohlwa le team yakhona Major League Soccer. Then bakasabita kwi-squad.
But asamboni kahle, asadlali kahle. Or just asimboni ukuthi udlala nini.
Cassius Malula bekadlala i-Sundowns, asadlala i-Sundowns bambita kwi-squad. Wahamba waya e-America waya kwelo. Ngayikhohlwa le team nayo la kuya bangasambita e-America. And labanye bayababhentsha khona le.
Awu. Bangadlali.
Bangadlali.